how to create ICQ account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for ICQ. Head over to the very first site. Well, it will land you on this interface. At the top right, click on Sign In. Tap on Accept and Continue. It will redirect you to this page. Now first of all, tap on this little down icon and then search for your country number code. Once it is done, enter your phone number and then click on Enter. Well, after entering your number, you will receive one verification code in it. All you want to do is copy that code and paste it right here. Once it is done, your ICQ account will be successfully created and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to log into ICQ account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.